Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified about it. Today's video is a very easy 5-product makeup look which is very easy to be done before you go to an office or your college. Since colleges have opened up, you can actually go for this look. Now I know for college goers, this kind of lip shade is slightly bold because allowed nahi hota hai, to be very honest, I know that. But you can go for neutral shades if you want to with this same kind of makeup like the face look, but change your lip shade according to your preference. But for office people, it's not an issue. You can go and play around with colors in every way, whatever way you want to. So if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. So today's makeup is a very minimal one, and which is why I'm not going to be using any foundation at all. Our main product here to bring that glow and that life to the face is going to be a concealer, and the one that I'm going to be using is from Wet n Wild. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I really like this concealer. It's a really nice one. It is a medium buildable coverage concealer which can do the job. Not can, it actually does the job of concealing all the stuff that I have on my face, like the acne scars and everything that you can see. All of these things, it covers up everything really nicely. It does my job of concealing everything on my face really nicely. So I'm going to start applying this concealer, and while I apply, I'll also tell you that the main key for this concealer, or not just this but for any kind of concealer that you're using for a no makeup look, has to be the type where the concealer shade actually matches your skin tone and not something that is lighter or darker than your skin tone, because only then it's going to look very natural and not something, you know, very unnatural, or not something wherein it shows that you have actually applied makeup. Now this is the shade medium Tawny from Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and it actually matches my skin tone really well and really nicely. So I'm not going to do anything. I'm not using any tools at all for blending this. This is a very minimalist sort of a look. You only require your fingers and the products to be doing this look and nothing else at all. So I'm going to dab this nicely onto my skin. That way it will not only just move around, like, you know, cover all of it, but also conceal all of my face. Now the next step that I'm going to be doing is to set everything in place, and not using a setting spray, but I'm going to be using a compact powder. It's actually a powder foundation from Lakme. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation. This is in the shade 03 Silky Golden. It's a really nice shade. It is something, again, it is something that matches my skin tone really nicely, and I'm going to be using the buffer that it comes with, or the sponge that it comes with. Just going to take a little bit of the amount on this and dab it on the skin very gently. Now since this is a powder foundation, you can also use it under your eyes. I have not used any concealer under my eyes, but I'm just going to use this under the eyes so that it conceals if there is, you know, any darkness or anything under the eyes. It's just going to conceal that, and I am only going to dab it and not drag it so that the concealer also does not move, but at the same time this one does the job of covering up and setting up everything in place. Now we are going to start with the eyes, and for the eyes I'm not doing my eyebrows, because my eyebrows, as you can see, are already pretty bushy, and since we are going for a very natural sort of a look, I don't want to touch my eyebrows because फिर वो actually लगेगा कि makeup किया हुआ है. If you don't have bushy brows like me, you can go for an additional step of doing the brows, but I don't require doing it on a daily basis. If I'm doing a full glam sort of a look, then I do my brows. Otherwise I just leave it like that, because even that way also it looks very natural and very nice as well. The eyes part that I'm going to be doing is going to be the liner, for which I'm using the Lakme Eyeconic eyeliner. This is actually the new range. Not a very big fan, because when it dries out to be glossy matte. I don't know, बहुत अजीब सी फिनिश है इसकी when it dries out. So not a very big fan of this, but क्योंकि purchase किया है तो ख़त्म करना पड़ेगा is only the reason why I'm actually using this. Otherwise I wouldn't have used it at all. And even when you're removing it, it flakes out to be removed. वो जैसे पुराने liners होते थे ना, जिसको निकालते वक्त वो अजीब सी खिंचती हुई परत जैसी निकलती थी, exactly that way this one actually removes when you're removing it with a makeup remover, or even in general also if you remove it just like that, वो ऐसे ही निकल जाएगा. So that's the kind of finish that this has. Not a very big fan, but like I said, क्योंकि purchase किया है तो use करना पड़ेगा just to finish it off. But after I finish it, I'm not going to purchase it again. बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया. Let's just move into the eyeliner part. So I'm going to go for a wing liner because that is something that I prefer, whether it's a glam look or whether it's an everyday kind of look, because eyeliner is something that I do not skip no matter what. Now that the eyeliner is done, I'm going to apply Kajal. This is the Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Kajal. I really like this. This is not something that would make my eyes water. It is very nice for sensitive eyes and I really like it. And I always go with my Kajal just halfway, a little ahead of halfway and not till the end, because then if I go till the inner corner, then it actually smudges a little. So I prefer for it to be a little ahead of halfway and not all the way till the inner corner. Now that the eyes and the face and everything is done, the last step is to apply lipstick so that it brings a little life to the face. And the shade that I'm going to be using is actually from the MAC Extra Gen collection. This is the satin lipstick in the shade Verve 825, and I actually really like the shade. It's a nice brown sort of a shade. So this is how the final look looks like. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and found this informative as well, please hit the like button. Comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below, and also all the products that I have used, all the 5 products basically that I have used in today's video, and also the products, the CTM products that I have used. I will leave the links of all of them in the description box below, so that if you wish to purchase them, you can go down below in the description box, click on the links and purchase them. That is all for today's video. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.